This is my second time in a couple days on my way to Baltimore Harley-Davidson. Let me tell you why, what's going on. Down below, you are going to find a bunch of Amazon affiliate links that will take you to the gear that I'm using. If you have any questions on how I'm doing this, how you're able to hear me so nice and clear, check them out. I also have a coupon code, MinnowMoto, down there to save you a little bit of cash over there at Beyond Riders. If you're looking for some cool riding gear, be sure to check them out. Right now, I am still sporting this summer mesh riding shirt, and I love it. So, thank you, Beyond Riders. So this is my second time driving to this dealership. The first time, actually both times, are going to be for fun events. The first time I went down there for a bike night. I'm going to put some clips in here while I talk. Just observations. I'm going to tell you what, it was a great night. I haven't been to a bike night in a while that was this happening. We got there at 6:30. It started at 6. And the parking lot was pretty full then, but about an hour in, even getting out was very limited. They had a nice little serpentine pattern to get you out. But the place was packed. They had a food truck there that was pretty good. They had some vendors there. Great night. Can't wait to do it again. Weather-wise, it was perfect. It wasn't too hot. Of course, I was sweating my balls off, but it was fun. It's so nice to see so many other like-minded people, not just on Harley-Davidsons at this bike night either. There was Suzuki's, Hondas, Kawasaki's, Indians, everything. A Ducati. The motorcycle community is amazing that, you know, everyone is welcome, and I appreciate that. So thank you for hosting that Baltimore Harley-Davidson. An observation that I had at bike night was something, a takeaway that is totally different from what you hear online. It doesn't matter if you're reading motorcycle magazines or even car magazines and consumer magazines are talking about is motorcycling dead. I've met throughout my years, and specifically at this last bike night, I met people from all walks of life, riding all different kind of motorcycles, just doing their thing. And it's really up to us riders to encourage other people to get out there. Maybe they're not getting on the latest and greatest. Maybe they're, you know, they're not buying that brand new bike. But I definitely think the more people we can get out there on these bikes, the more encouragement we can give them, is going to help. I mean, I'm going to tell you what, my biggest pet peeve is going to be social media. I cannot tell you how many forums I go into, or even like the Facebook groups, Instagram. Someone will ask the most innocent question, and there'll be at least a handful of people that respond back with, if you don't know how to work on your motorcycle, you shouldn't have bought it, or maybe you should take it to a dealer, or, you know, why go there? Why stir the pot? We know the numbers are dwindling. Let's encourage people to do their own thing. If they save a couple $100 doing their own service, let them. That's gonna, keep them in with us. They're gonna buy gear. They're gonna do these bike nights. They're gonna put money into our community that we are all so very proud of. And again, the motorcycling. I can't even talk now. The motorcycling community is amazing. Let's not discourage people. And that's to everybody. It doesn't matter what you ride. Every forum I go into, someone's telling someone that they need to hire a mechanic, or they're too stupid, they shouldn't own a motorcycle. We all learn somewhere, you know? So I guess that is my rant right now. Let's get out there and take care of each other. A little kind words, encouragement. Even if you don't know the answer, just don't say anything. When I was a kid, remember? That was it. If you don't have anything nice to say, what is wrong with people? Oh my God. All right, this is Jerry MinnowMoto. Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe if you just want to keep seeing what I'm doing. Right now, I am riding on my 25 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail. And I am liking this bike. Stay cool out there, get out and ride, put some miles down, make some smiles out there. This is Jerry MinnowMoto. Thanks for watching. Trying this camera over here at a different angle. It's going across I do have support bars from Insta360. I might add, I might not. I don't know. They're kind of bulky. But the Insta mount system does work great. It's just keeping you levitated right there. So that is kind of cool. Got to switch something out with my phone. Hopefully get this mount thing worked out. I've been struggling with that. But other than that, nothing else is happening with me.